Ah, at last, a tool that lets you browse your database without having to know SQL or any other database language. The Clarisia browser truly works from examples. If you want to follow along with your own download of Clarisia, do File, Retrieve, then click Log In. Let's say we know the database contains the following fact, that Susan sold a flower to Paul. You can click the Find button or just press Enter. The Clarisia proprietary algorithm generates a query for you automatically. This query gives us a list of all the sales, that is, where anybody sold anything to anybody. You never need to know SQL to use Clarisia. Just try various options. Let's restrict our query to just Susan and Paul. If you're following along, you can just type the delete key to clear a cell in the entry table. We get everybody for whom Susan and Paul stand as examples in a relationship. In this case, sales and rentals. Let's explore. What other transactions did Susan have with Paul in particular? We enter them twice to tell Clarisia that Susan and Paul are constants, not just examples, or right under each other. You're of course welcome to modify the SQL if you wish. You don't even need to know what the following means. Just replace the top line of the generated SQL with the line select asterisk. Let's try it. Select asterisk. Looks like two things, a sale and a rental. But note that the others are excluded, just Susan and Paul are pulled back. Now we can start asking things that are hard to think about in other systems. What was everything Susan did in 2008? Clarisia also does wildcards. Let's try our select asterisk trick again to get some more detail. Cool! Finally, to show the sheer power of the tool, let's start with the location example from the Features page of the Clarisia website. We have employees, mail stops, sites, cities, states, and countries. And on top of that, let's add another dimension, department, that's not related to geographical containment like the others. Let's try getting every employee and the state they're in, if we know that Susan is in Colorado. Let's get every city and the country it's in. We know that Denver is in the United States. Finally, let's find every employee with their city and department. Susan is based in Denver and is in the sales department. So in summary, from a technical point of view, the Clarisia browser can create many different select statements purely from examples, including constants and wildcards. If your tool can do this, please let us know. If your tool can't do this, you need it, or someone in your organization does. Finally, if there are other examples or features you'd like to see, let us know as well. We look forward to having a good working relationship with you.